Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get stems from Suno AI step by step. Stems allow you to separate parts of a song like vocals, drums, bass, and instruments, so you can edit, remix, or use them in music production. Let's get started. Suno AI is an AI tool that generates complete songs with vocals, lyrics, and instruments. However, getting stems requires exporting or separating the audio after the song is generated. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open your Suno account. Go to the Suno AI website and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open your library. This is where all your generated songs are stored. Step 2. Select the song. Find the song you want to extract stems from. Click on the song to open its playback page. Step 3. Download the audio file. Look for the download option. Download the song file to your computer, usually in MP3 or WAV format. This will be the full mixed track. Step 4. Use an audio stem splitter. Since Suno normally exports a full mixed track, you can separate stems using an AI stem separation tool. Some popular options include Moises, Lalal.ai, Splitter.ai. Upload your downloaded song to one of these tools. Step 5. Extract the stems. The tool will automatically separate the track into different stems such as vocals, drums, bass, instruments. After processing, download the individual stem files. Step 6. Use the stems for editing or remixing. Once downloaded, you can import the stems into music software like FL Studio, Ableton Live, Logic Pro. This allows you to remix, edit, or rearrange parts of the song. Important tip: using the WAV version of the song instead of MP3 usually gives better results when separating stems. And that's it. That's how you get stems from Suno AI step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical AI music tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.